Allow me to ask you a question. If you could visit anywhere on the moon, where would you go? I invite you on a captivating journey to explore the hidden side of the moon, a realm veiled in mystery and wonder. For centuries, humanity gazed at the moon, mesmerized by its ever-changing phases. Little did we know that there existed a side of the moon that remained concealed from our view. Until the advent of groundbreaking missions like the lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. The hidden side of the moon, also known as the far side, presents a unique perspective that challenges our preconceived notions. The allure, with its advanced imaging capabilities, has provided us with unprecedented glimpse of its enigmatic realm. We've discovered that the far side boasts a rock and cratered landscape, vastly different from the familiar face we see from Earth. Exploring the hidden side of the moon has unlocked a wealth of scientific knowledge. The unique geological features, such as colossal impact basins and ancient lava flows, have allowed scientists to piece together the moon's complex history. By studying the far side, we gain invaluable insight into the moon's formation, evaluation, and the processes that have shaped its surface over billions of years. Moreover, the hidden side of the moon offers an unparalleled environment for observing the cosmos. Shielded from the radio interference generated by Earth, this secluded realm provides a pristine platform for studying celestial phenomena, searching for distant galaxies, and delving into mysteries of our ever-expanding universe. The exploration of the hidden side of the moon also carries profound implications for future lunar missions. By understanding the unique challenges and opportunities presented by this uncharted territory, we pave the way for human space travel and potential colonization. The knowledge gained from studying the hidden side of the moon serves as a stepping stone towards our broader ambitions of venturing deeper into space. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, the hidden side of the moon beckons us with secrets and untold stories. It reminds us that there is still so much to discover and unravel in our vast universe. Let us embrace the spirit of exploration, fuel our curiosity, and embark on this incredible journey together as we uncover the mysteries that lie on the hidden side of the moon. Before going through Apollo missions, if you liked the video, subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's continue exploring the great accomplishments of the Apollo missions in relation to the moon. The Apollo missions stand as a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and the unwavering spirit of exploration. They marked a monumental chapter in our history, as humanity ventured beyond Earth and set foot on the lunar surface. Apollo 11, the iconic mission that captured the world's attention, witnessed the culmination of years of scientific and technological advancement. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong took that giant leap for mankind, becoming the first person to step onto the moon. Buzz Aldrin joined him moments later, and together they planted the American flag, leaving an indelible mark on lunar soil. Over the course of 6 Apollo missions from 1969 to 1972, a total of 12 astronauts walked on the moon's surface. These brave astronauts conducted scientific experiments, collected precious lunar samples, and deployed seismometers to study moonquake and the moon's interior structure. One of the most significant achievements of the Apollo missions was the collection of lunar samples. These pristine specimens, meticulously gathered and preserved, allowed scientists to gain vital insight into the moon's composition, geology, and its relation to Earth. The analysis of these samples revealed surprising similarities and differences, shedding light on the moon's origin and its complex history. Apollo missions also deployed scientific instruments such as the lunar roving vehicle used during Apollo 15, 16, and 17. The LRV enabled astronauts to explore large areas of the Moon's surface, greatly expanding our understanding of its geological features and aiding in the collection of diverse samples. They showcase the power of human determinations and the boundless possibilities when we set audacious goals. Beyond the scientific achievements, the Apollo missions sparked a global sense of awe and inspiration. The images and videos transmitted from the moon captivated audiences worldwide, fostering a sense of unity and shared pride in our collective achievements. The legacy of Apollo continues to reverberate through space exploration endeavors today, and the technological advancement made during the Apollo era laid the foundation for future missions and paved the way for robotic explorations, such as the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter and the upcoming Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable presence. The Apollo missions represent humanity's indomitable spirit of exploration, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. They serve as a reminder that, when faced with imminent challenges, we can achieve extraordinary feats. As we look to the future, let us draw inspiration from these remarkable accomplishments and continue our quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos.